Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a strawberry and white chocolate cheesecake. Let's begin. So just before we get into today's video, I wanted to say a massive thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Clicking the notification bell, then you'll be notified whenever I upload. So to start this recipe, you'll want to make the base, which is made up of biscuits and butter. You'll need to first crush your biscuits. I'm using a food processor, but feel free to use any other method, like putting them into a plastic food bag and crushing them with a rolling pin, whichever works for you. So once your biscuits have become crumb consistency, you can then add in your butter and mix that in until it's well incorporated. You will notice that the mixture will go from a light brown to a dark brown colour. If you're using a food processor, you may notice that some of your biscuit over the top hasn't incorporated with the butter. Just give it a little scrape down and just mix it until it's incorporated. So once you've got your biscuit mixture ready, you can then put that into the base of your 8-inch tin and press it down. I normally use a spatula, but I found that using a cup measurement also works really well. So to make the filling, I will put my soft cheese and icing sugar into my mixing bowl of choice. I'm using my stand mixer, but feel free to use whatever you have. Then you'll want to mix that on a medium-high speed until fully incorporated. And while it's mixing, feel free to add in your vanilla at this stage. I use bean paste, but you could use extract, whichever you've got. You will then want to scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully incorporated while mixing. So then you'll want to add in all of your double cream and whisk this on a medium-high speed until it's become thicker in consistency. You'll be able to notice the change visibly. So once you've got your cheesecake filling made, you can then add in your chopped strawberries and your white chocolate, and then you'll want to fold these in using a spatula. You'll just want to mix these in to incorporate, being careful not to overmix. And I wanted to add some colour to this as it was strawberry, so I added a bit of red food gel, but feel free to leave this out if you don't want to use it. So now that you've got your cheesecake filling, you can put this on top of the base that you made earlier on, levelling off the top as best as you possibly can before you put it into the fridge. I would recommend at least putting it in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours minimum, or overnight will work very well too. So once your cheesecake is set, you will then want to remove it from the tin. I push mine up from the bottom, but you remove it however you decide to. And then it does look a bit messy, so I will tidy it up using a cake scraper just to remove any of the excess. So I made this recipe about a month ago when we had a mini heatwave in the UK. It was in the high 20s for temperature, which is really unusual for the UK. So for the decoration, I decided to pipe whipped cream on top, and onto half of the whipped cream I piped, I put some strawberries on top, and onto the other half I put on some grated white chocolate, but you can decorate it however you feel. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another upload. If you have any recommendations for me to make, leave them in the comments down below, or message me on one of my social medias. I will leave all that information in the description down below. Follow me on Instagram to see some behind the scenes if you're interested. So yeah, that's all for this week. Bye guys.